Hi there, and welcome to my channel. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to show you something new that has just occurred, and that is with Google Drive videos, you can no longer embed them by getting the embed code, a change that I only found out accidentally, because changes are made by Google and other programs without letting us know because they probably think it's not that important. So let me show you what you do now. So here is a Google Drive MP4. Yes, and if you look in the browser window, you will see at the end that it says View. If I take that link and share it using Generico, it will not be embedded. It'll say that there's an error. It needs to be shared publicly, which it is. This is the video that I want to share with Generico in my course on Moodle. Notice if I go into share, I no longer see the embed anymore. This is the change that Google made. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link at the top. Now I'm going to add it to my Generico on Google. And here I am going to go into reply to this and then Generico website. And I'm going to paste the link with view, insert. And notice what I get here. That's what I get. You need access. Now I'm going to change the view by adding a PRE in front of it. Going to keep the whole thing, just add, instead of preview, I'm going to add the PRE to make it preview. So it's no longer view, it's preview. That is what I get. Isn't that amazing? That's all you need to do. Instead of view, you write preview. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Generico or Google Drive, feel free to ask in the comment box below and subscribe.